In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Cropping is perfect for trimming away extra margins, headers, or footers so your PDF looks clean and focused. We'll keep this simple and precise so you can follow along confidently. Start by clicking Edit. In Acrobat Pro, this is typically the Edit PDF tool, which opens a toolbar specifically for changing text, images, and page settings. If your interface looks a little different, don't worry. Adobe updates layouts occasionally. Look for Edit or Edit PDF in the toolbar or under the Tools tab. When you activate it, Acrobat switches into an editing mode, and that's exactly where the crop option becomes available. A quick tip before you proceed. If your page has tiny details near the edge, zoom in now so you can place your crop more accurately. Next, click Crop. In many versions, it's labeled Crop Pages and shows an icon that looks like overlapping right angles. Selecting it tells Acrobat you're defining a new visible area. This tool won't permanently delete content. It simply hides anything outside the boundary you draw, which means you can adjust or undo it later if needed. It's a safe way to refine your layout. Then highlight on the page you want to crop. Click and drag to draw a rectangle around the exact area you want to keep. Take your time here. The edges of that rectangle become your new page boundaries. After drawing, you can fine-tune by dragging the handles on each side or corner to nudge the crop box in or out. If you need more control, zoom in further or hold the spacebar to pan while you're adjusting. Think of this as framing your content so the important parts sit neatly within the page. When you're happy with the frame, press Enter, then click OK. Pressing Enter opens the crop dialog so you can confirm the selection. Clicking OK applies the crop to the current page. If you ever need consistent margins across multiple pages, you can revisit the same crop tool and repeat the exact highlight and confirm process on those pages. Remember, the crop is non-destructive, so if you change your mind later, just return to the crop tool and adjust or reset. And that's it. Click Edit, click Crop, highlight the area to keep, press Enter, and click OK. With these quick actions, your PDF will look cleaner, more professional, and easier to read.